we got another Mero on the way too. That fool's probably gonna want to get a run in, I guarantee you. I think he just got a little baby cam put in. The supercharged vet C5. You guys see it? They're shooting a little music video over here. Got the whips in the background. All right, so that's a wrap. The cops just showed up. What up, guys? So right now we are on our way to a music video. My boy hit me up right now last minute. I was at another location in Mexico filming a little video for you guys that'll be coming out soon, or I don't know when this one drops. So but it was the Z06 versus the Mustang, cammed V06 versus the Mustang on nitrous. If that's already out, go check it out. If not, wait on it. But yeah, that shit was pretty interesting. I also raced a GTR, man, so yeah, pretty eventful. But now we're headed to this we're headed to a music video here in town in Santa Maria. Some dude named Big Ray, I believe. My boy just hit me up and he's like, hey, you want to come through? We need some cars to be in a music video. Bring the scat. And I was like, all right, fuck it. So we're gonna see what we could do. There might be some cars. There are gonna be some cars maybe like swinging and probably some burnouts and stuff. I ain't gonna do none of that in my whip. Not just yet. I got that video coming for you guys, but I want like a good daytime, you know, a good scene where I could like capture it good for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that for you guys soon, but we'll see if we could capture some other people doing burnouts and, you know, swinging it and all that. See if we could catch some people with some bars, but we'll see what we can get into. There's gonna be a lot of people with cars there, so who knows, maybe we can take a little trip to Mexico too, see what kind of whips are there. But this person breaking their neck. They've never seen a wide body Charger before, man. They probably haven't, to be honest with you. They're pretty rare over here, man. I haven't, mine is the only one in town, and I haven't seen another one in all my travels so far, man. But yeah, like I said, we are on our way right now, so we'll see what's good, man. Should be a good time. Should be able to see some dope vehicles, get some dope footage for you guys.
A few minutes later.
And look what we found here. Oh shit. You got a Scat Pack right here, bruh. What up? Oh shit. I didn't even know that was you, bro. Run it. That was the dude in the GTR that I just ran. I might got killed. Alright, we're rolling out. We'll see what we could get into on the way. We got a couple cars here. A couple fast guys. Ooh, we might be able to run Joe tonight, maybe. You see Joe over there with the top down. Top down in the vet. We got Lalo behind us in the Mero, and we got another Mero on the way too. That fool's probably gonna want to get a run in, I guarantee you. I think he just got a little baby cam put in, but he's trying to keep it on the low, but your boy already know, you know what I'm saying? Let me turn this shit off. Mustang back there too? Damn, tell him to pull up. You guys see Joe? What up though? Stay shitty. Man, I wanna swing it, I ain't gonna lie, but I wanna get you guys some good footage. You know, I don't wanna get it when it's all dark and there ain't no lights out here. I gotta wait, you know, sometimes patience is virtue. I still gotta bring you guys the swing video when I swing my Scatty. I gotta bring you guys the burnout video. I'm gonna do that right before I need some new tires, so I already know when I'm gonna do that. I gotta do the line lock, and I'll just get that out the way on the burnout video. What else? Launch control, I still haven't even tried launch control. I gotta do the launch control video for you guys. Got a lot of videos I gotta bring you guys, man. Fucking Joe, bro. I was like, wait up, motherfucker, I'm about to stand in front of the whip to block the rocks and shit. Fucking Joe don't waste no time, huh? I almost didn't have enough time to get the camera out and shit. That's Brandon. Or is that Shorty? Oh, that looks like Shorty, bro. Yeah, because I told him to go get it, bro. I was like, yo,
bro, you told him to go get it?
Yeah. That might be him. You guys see it, you hear it? Got my Scatty right there. Got the Marrow with the carbon fiber on it. My shit's dirty too. Got, that looks like another Marrow. Is that Brandon and Shorty or what? Just tell him not to spin it yet, Brett.
A few minutes later.
Too soon, bro.
Wait, who was that?
That was Brandon.
Oh, you should probably let them set up
Tell him
first.
to pull up.
Yeah, tell him hold up, bruh.
Yeah.
He's the one that's gonna. Yeah,
He's good, bro.
Yeah, he's good, bro.
Shit.
That fool could spin for days. But he should have waited, because now it's gonna be like, I don't know.
It's about
Is that Shorty? King guy.
This is gonna be crazy. Yo,
Just don't throw any rock chips at the whip, bruh.
Yeah, go farther out there. Face to the camera.
Hey, go more over here. That way you don't throw rocks at the. Oh, you're gonna back up.
I thought he was doing it.
Hey, we'll save the donuts for after.
You guys see it? They're shooting a little music video over here. Got the whips in the background. They're about to spin it right now. This dude's pretty dope, man. Go check him out. Big Ray. Shooting a video. Got the behind the scenes exclusive.
Later that same evening.
All right, so that's a wrap. The cops just showed up. He's just chilling. He didn't turn on his lights or anything, or shine the light. Oh, there he goes. There's the light. Let's see what happens. It is. About to see what happens. Someone tried to leave right now and he stopped him, so. We'll see. I know. Here goes another cop, just showed up. I guess he's checking the road for like burnout marks, see if anyone was doing donuts. But I mean, there was already marks there before, so I don't know how he can determine that. Huh? I don't know. Hopefully he ain't giving everybody tickets, man. He told Shorty his car's filthy. He said your car's filthy. You need to wash that shit. He's taking everybody's license plate. And they seem pretty cool, to be honest, from what I've heard so far.
Then we got the Hemi. What's your name, sir?
My name is Louie.
Last name?
Morales.
Trying to get good video clips or what?
You know everybody records everything nowadays.
Yeah, so do I. See?
Yeah, I see. No, you guys seem cool though. It's just
It's not a big deal. I get what you guys were probably trying to do or getting ready to do, but just don't tear up my roads, man.
Oh no, yeah. I know I ain't doing that. It's a brand new
sorry,
car.
it was Louie, right?
Yeah.
How do you spell Louie?
Louie.
Just like Louie B.
Exactly, yeah. No, they're just shooting a music video and all that.
That's all you're saying.
Yeah.
He's a rapper.
I don't know. It's my friend's friend. So he just said, hey, they need some cars to get some good shots. So we were just in the background while he was rapping.
Cool.
Well, ain't no more coming here, I'll tell you that much. This is my first time and the last time, people. About to ask him if I could get a thumbnail. Hopefully he turns his lights on. Turn the lights on. That was cool. I didn't get that good of a damn thumbnail though. He didn't turn his lights on. Turn the damn lights on, man. I told him. sheriffs showed up.